Hi guys, okay, so the wig I'm going to be installing today is from Aligracehair, and I've already bleached the wig, and I used my 30 volume developer with my true zone bleach powder, and I left the bleach on the lace for 20 minutes, and then I washed it out, and this is what the lace looks like once it's been washed out. So I did apply my foundation onto the lace just to make it look a bit more natural, and I really like this wig because it comes pre-plucked, so you don't really have to do much to the lace basically. To install the wig, I'm going to be using my bold hold supreme glue, and this will make my wig to stay on for like at least a good 3 to 4 days. As you can see right now, I'm just trying on the wig to see what the wig looks like on me. To apply the glue, I'm going to be doing it in sections just because it's so much easier. So I'm going to apply the first layer, and once that's done, I'm going to wait for it to get really tacky, and once it turns clear, then I'm going to apply the second layer. And to apply the glue, I'm going to be using my tweezer just to spread out the glue to make sure I get a smooth application. I mean, if you have a rat tail comb, you can use that as well, but I'm just using my tweezer just because that's what I could grab at that time. So once the glue is clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply the second layer and basically just repeat the same steps. So once the glue turns clear, I'm now going to apply the lace. So as you guys can see in this clip, I didn't really wait for mine to turn clear completely just because I don't have, listen guys, I don't have patience and it's really bad. So if you're doing this, please just wait for your glue to turn completely clear before you apply your lace. So now I'm just using my rat tail comb just to literally press the lace into my skin to help it to melt in. So once I secure the middle of the wig down, I'm now going to cut off the lace just to help me to apply the glue on the other side of the wig. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did for the middle part of the wig. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the sides as well. And with the sides, you really want to take your time with this because the sides are like the first part of the wig to lift, if that makes any sense. So you just want to take your time with it. That's what I'm just doing here. So once it turns clear, I'm now going to apply the lace onto the glue. Now I'm just cutting off the excess lace, and I'm cutting around my ears as well to make the wig comfortable when I have it on. So I went ahead to do the other side of the wig off camera just because, you know, it's the same, basically the same steps, and I just love this wig. Like you guys can see, I've done the other side. So now I'm just going to use my scarf to lay the lace down onto my wig. This is really going to help to melt the lace in as well. I think I left the scarf on for like a good 20 minutes. So the next thing I did was I used my 99% rubbing alcohol, and I just used that to get rid of the excess glue that I had on my skin. So once I get rid of the excess glue that I have on my skin, I'm now going to try and style my hair. I was really struggling to decide on what style I wanted to do with this wig because, guys, just look at the lace. Like, it just looks really natural. Like, it comes pre-plucked, comes pre-customized. All you have to do is just literally install this wig on your head. So I decided to go for a side parting, as you guys can see, and I'm just using my rat tail comb just to, you know, define my parting. And I'm also going to use my hot comb to like literally lay the wig down and to make it lay flat on my head. Me using the hot comb is also going to help to melt the lace in a bit. I'm not going to lie, guys, when it comes to using the hot comb, I get really scared because this thing gets really hot. Like, I'm not trying to burn myself, you know. But so now I'm just going to use my wax to lay down the baby hairs because after parting my hair, I did get some flyaways, so I'm just using the wax to get rid of the flyaways and stuff like that. And now I'm going to go in with my VO5 curl defining mousse. This is just going to help to define the curls a bit more. I don't really want to use water on this hair because I really like the wave pattern. Also, because it's not kinky hair, it's not going to get really massive throughout the day, so you can just use your curly mousse and you're good to go. So which is what I'm doing right now. Sorry guys, I was on the phone, which is why I have my earphones in. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply the mousse all over the hair just to help the, you know, the curls to be a bit more defined. And then now I'm just going to lay my baby hairs down, and yeah guys. Okay, so I'm done installing the wig now, and can I just say this wig is everything, because look at the lace. The lace came pre-plucked, by the way. All I had to do was bleach the lace, and I applied my foundation onto the lace as well, just to make it blend into my skin a bit more. But guys, this wig is everything, man. Like, even the customization of the wig, look at this. You can literally put this anywhere, and I think it's a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so the parting space is a lot, as you can see. And it's also a 360 wig, which means you can have this up in a ponytail and it'll look natural at the back as well. But yeah, I'm really happy with this wig. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links that you guys need down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know. Like, guys, you can do so many styles with this wig. You can do like the half up, half down. So yeah, this wig is from aligracehair, and this is their 20-inch Brazilian curly wig, and it's 150 density. And for this wig to be 150, this is very full for 150 density, you know. I'm really happy with this wig. I love how it looks on me. I like the curl pattern as well. So like I said, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need down below, so please make sure you check the description box for everything you need. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.